Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am share with you very amazing and beautiful design you can easily make at your home. It's totally DIY projects. You are wasting material, transform into a beautiful and cozy ornaments on your Christmas event. So take a coffee cup and stay back. In today's video, we are diving into a world of elegance, sparkle and handmade magical, creating DIY elegant Christmas ornaments and wall hanging that will make your home classy and cozy. Whether you love natural tone, so just touch of rustic charm, these ideas will inspire you to decorate beautifully without spending a zero penny. So let's start with DIY Christmas ornaments, delicate timeless pieces that bring beauty to your tree or gift wrapping. Just take plain clay ornaments and fill them with white feather or glitter. Paint the outside with golden brush smoke. You can even add using gold marker. Wrap a small ball ornament with a strip of burlap fabric. Then tie it with lace and teeny pearl bead in the center. This one gives a rustic, elegant natural farmhouse vibe. Soft fabric use cut soft fabric circle layer them, stitch a button in the center, add a small jute string loop to hang it, a simple, elegant and look handmade with love. If you love macarons, create a small piece with cream cotton cord, decorate it with mini ornaments, snowflakes or bells. It brings soft texture and elegance to your festival. Crafting during Christmas is not just about decorating, it's a way to relax, express creativity, and enjoy mindful moments. When you make something with your hands, you bring you energy and love into your home. It's calming, reduce stress, and fill your heart with joy. When you see your homemade decoration, you love it. When the someone like your friends, your family comes to your home and looks your handmade craft, they must will be proud. And that is not for today. Elegant Christmas decoration ideas. We hope these DIY ornaments and wall hanging inspire you to create a cozy, classy space this festival season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Light up your home with love, creativity, and the magic of handmade art. Until next time, happy crafting. Viewers, if you are new to my channel, so please must subscribe my channel and post your valuable comments. I will work on it as previous and share with you in next video. Comments is very valuable for us. It's showing your support. Actually Actually, I really need your support.